Hi and welcome back to my channel, Julep's Garden. I live in North Carolina, Zone 7B, and we're about mid-May. I'm outside of Ace Hardware and we're gonna go see what plants they have. Okay, let's see what they have. It seems like they have lots of veggies. Wow, these look really nice and healthy. What are the prices? We have a 3.5 inch pot, $4.49, 4.5 inch, $4.99, 2.3 quarts, $7.99, and 8 inch pot, $12.99. That's not too bad. I think Lowe's and Home Depot are about $5.98 for the 4 inch pots. And they have most everything you would need: purple bell pepper, jalapenos, poblanos, Anaheim, habaneros, big beef hybrid tomato. Look at this one, Mr. Stripey heirloom tomato. They have a sweet potato vine for $7.99. And then look at this container. It'd be great for strawberries. They even plop the strawberry basket on top. We have some vinca. They have these huge containers of rosemary for $15.99. And then we still have some dianthus and some geranium. Okay, we have some proven winners. So these are the hydrangeas, the puffer fish panicle hydrangea. $48.99, but it is a 3-gallon. This is the same thing. Let's see, what is this one? This is a little lime punch, also a 3-gallon. Looking nice and healthy. Here we have the sweet potato vine, a margarita, and this one is also $7.99. This hosta so sweet for $14.99. She's a good size. Look at that. We have many more hostas here. Let's see, this is hosta honey bells for $12.99, but I think it's a good price because look how big she is. She's really big. So we have more honey bells. This is the gold standard. All these are the gold standard. What is this one? This is a so sweet. We have some lavender here. This is Dutch lavender organic, $4.99. And then this is the Lavandula stocas, Spanish lavender. That one's more common, I see. We have a mint, $4.99. We have some basil, some rosemary, sage. These are all $4.99. I actually don't have sage. I need some. This looks like chives. Look, they're blooming. The chives are blooming. Some thyme. Ooh, what is this one? Silver edge thyme. How pretty. And they have a lemon thyme back here. And we have flowers over on this side. So we have some coleuses. This is campfire coleus. They're $7.99. And then we have a Mardi Gras coleus. Look at that. It's beautiful. And then this one is red-headed. Oh my gosh, I love these. This is flamethrower sriracha. This is a wasabi coleus. This is a vino coleus. And then this one is campfire again. It's beautiful. And then we have some little dianthus for $7.99. They're so cute. Up here we have some impatiens, and these are single little containers for $1.99. And then over here we have begonias. Let's see. These are also $1.99, and they're a good size already. Look at this. I think that's a great deal, $1.99. Might have to take some of these. They have them in the red, and we have the pretty nice bright white. We have Super Bells pink. Where's their price? Are $8.99. Looks like a 4-inch. And they also have Perennial, part shade to shade. We have Angelonia, angel face. Look at that, pretty. They're $7.99, and then we have more sweet potato vine. This is Blackie for $7.99, and then we have some geraniums here for $8.99. Here they have a little lime punch hydrangea, $52.99, a 3-gallon. I have to say though, they look very nice and healthy. Oh, we still have some. They used to have a lot more, so it definitely seems like they've been getting bought out. This is Jazzberry, Super Tunia, $8.99, but there's just one now. And this is Super Bells White, more of the purple, or it's called Sweet Caroline Raven. This is the Bordeaux, Carolina Light Green, Margarita, more Bordeaux, and then we have a hanging basket. Let's see, we have Super Olympia Rose Begonia, and these are all $1.99. I think this is a great buy for $1.99. We have some drift roses. This is a 3-gallon container for $33.99. I saw these. My neighbor had some all with like a black mailbox, and it was surrounded by these, and it was beautiful, beautiful. We have some lamb's ear for $12.99. Oh, look at this. These are such a cool texture. And then more of the sweet potato vines, and these are proven winners. These are $8.99. More of the dianthus, $7.99. Citronella plant. Oh, it's a basket. Hanging baskets are $27. I feel like that's a little expensive. And here's a strawberry hanging basket. Some asparagus fern. And then this is like a container they already have set up, and it's exploding. Okay, so here we have some huge containers. This is the Enchanted Garden Planter, $79.99. It's a 5.5 gallon container. So I'm seeing some petunias, some sweet potato vine. I'm not sure what this is here in the center. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's expensive. I'm not sure about $80. I'd rather make it and watch it grow, but that's just me. This is Proven Winners Hippo Red. So these are all $8.99, just like the other Proven Winner containers. We have a Hippo White, and then we have this pink one. Hippo Rose. And these do from sun to shade, from part shade to shade. Okay, another ginormous container for $84.99. But it does seem like it's proven winners. This is Neptune Planter. So let's see here. We have Salvia, Lobelia, Calibrachoa, Superbina, Super Bells. The bees approve it. I do love how this looks. It's beautiful. This is Rose Double Knockout for also $33.99. Okay, so these are $7.99. And then We have the New Guinea Impatiens for $13.99. But they are full and big. Look at these. So look, the container, $13.99. They are bursting. And then my favorite, I love this color, $13.99. Then right up here we have the proven winners, Let's Dance Hydrangea, $28.99. It's gorgeous. And then over here we have some dahlias. Look at that. These are $14.99. We have more proven winners. We have Super Tunia Mini Vista Pink Star, and all these are $8.99. We have Super Bell's Holy Cow, and then Jazzberry, and what is this? I don't remember which one this is, and he doesn't have a tag. You would think I would remember all these names eventually, but we have Angelonia here. That's really cute. And then we have some non-proven winners petunias for $7.99. So I would definitely get the proven winners if it's just $1 difference. Oh look, these are proven winners. This is Super Tunia Really Red. Proven winners Verbena for $11.99. And then over here we have $11.99, and it says Sage Lyrica White. This is Passionate Blush Guara. This is Begonia Top Hat Pink for $11.99. How cute is this Sea Pink Sweet Dreams, $14.99. Oh look, they have a Cleome for Señorita Rosalita. Let's see how much these are. Those are $15.99, and then we have some more. This is Hardy Ice Plant, $9.99. Petunias for $11.99, and then we have the Mandevilla for $26.99. Down here we have white petunias. Non-proven winners are $11.99, and then proven winners, oh, they're both $11.99. Well, I'd get this one. More begonias, $11.99, and these smaller New Guinea Impatiens for $7.99. So Let's Dance Ariba Hydrangea, $47.99, and this is Bora for $11.99. Over here we have Salvia. It's beautiful. $11.99. We have some Lantana for $11.99. They have Foxglove for $11.99. More proven winners, Super Tunias. This is Picasso in purple. And then these smaller ones are $8.99. See the names. This is a yellow chiffon. This is Super Tunia Sharon. This is Super Bell's Holy Smokes. This one. We have Super Bell's Pink. Let me see this yellow one. What is it called? This is Super Bell's Yellow Chiffon. Here we have a bigger container of the Super Tunia for $11.99. And then here we have a little lime punch, $48.99. And lo and behold, ruby chip. It's beautiful. $44.99. Another huge container. This one's called a bubble gum planter for $72.99. But look at that. It's ginormous. And then we have hanging baskets. These are $27.99 for geraniums. The petunias are $21.99. This one is also $27.99. And then we have one of begonias, the geraniums. They're gorgeous. $28.99. And again, the petunias are $21.99. These are the big containers for $72.99. This one is Rockin' Rush Planter. And they do have proven winner plants. I mean, this has to be like 3 foot tall already. And this is similar to the one we saw earlier. Neptune planter for $84.99. Okay, that's it for today. They do have a good selection of proven winners. They're not super cheap for proven winners, but they're reasonable for what's in the area. For everyone up north who's kind of like a month behind, I would go ahead and go to your Ace Hardware now, because last month when I came, they had a lot more variety to choose from, and it looks like they've just been, you know, like bought by people. So definitely the sooner you can get in, the more options you'll have, because they do have some varieties of proven winners that I have not seen at Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart. So if you have your heart set on one proven winners plant, definitely check out your Ace Hardware because they might have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.